today's agenda was to see if I liked Flash or not using Flash at this event. Let me know which one y'all like best in the comments. For the details, of course, we all want to know. This is the Nikon Z6II. I think it might be the 7II, one of the two, and I'm using a 28 to 75 lens most of the day. Later on, you'll see some compression, which is the 105 2.8 macro lens. But just enjoy some behind the scenes of flash versus non-flash. And if you want to know what it's connected to, this is the Insta360 X4. Let me know down in the comments what you enjoy, flash or not flash. Don't forget to do the YouTube stuff. Like the video, subscribe, and see me the next time you see me. All right, bye.
A lot of us like to do what we feel in our personal life, right? Or business, you need to collect data, and then the creative things that she does. And I don't want to put her business out there, but she ain't doing bad, personally. When you talk about a woman with 4 kids that can afford to put them through school and live in a nice area.
All right, so I forgot to give you the flash details. This is the Westcot FJ80 with the MagMod Sphere, version 2 on top, just if you want to know.
I was looking at these reviews, like you said, I've never seen anything like this.
And you thought I was lying?
Terrible. But it looks like they hired someone because now they're saying nice things. But a year ago, somebody said bye Felicia as a response to a review. It's terrible. And my marketing mind just said that I'm going to screenshot these and post them. It's going to go viral. So there we go.
Oh yeah, and all the pictures you're going to see right here are JPEG straight out of camera. It's no edits, just baked in JPEG, neutral format.
So you just want to make sure that people can tell what you do. It doesn't have to all be that, but they have to be able to tell what you do. Now, that doesn't mean posting flyers. So you want to do it in a way that is enticing. I tell people all the time, no one gets on social media to be sold to. People get on social media to be entertained. And as a byproduct of them getting on social media to be entertained, they are sold to. That's the number. Lion comes in, it's my birthday.
Yeah, come on, bring kids. Those are kids, by the way.
All 4 of them. Those sing happy birthday. Yeah.
You sing happy birthday, mommy.
Okay.
All right.
Get the mic.
Come on, you ready? Are y'all ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you.
But she definitely got to go back for part 2 because we ain't even tap into the strategies to get to the million.
That's what I did. That's what I did today. You're all welcome.
Lastly, I'm Jim.
You ain't gotta go home, but you gotta go.
How you feeling?
It's KLA Mall.
Where you getting the juice at, bro? So what is it? Juice at, bro. You gotta learn the juice everywhere you go.
How are you?
That's the market. That's the market.
You know how to get in touch with me?
I mean, I see you got your Facebook. Juice in the bag?
Not like I get it.
Yeah. Juice ain't everywhere.
Call me. Why I got my lashes on today? It's part of the eyelash catcher. I don't go in there, right? Am I good?
I was waiting.
To take a picture? You better not. You better not. I did. Okay, you got it. Okay.
I want to be a model.
You want to be a model?
Start modeling, bro.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that's fine. I'll follow you back. Okay. Are you baby, these are your messages. It's a microphone.
Hello. 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 Mom, you got other people's.
No, they're
And then also the area.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you.
You doing all right?
Yes, ma'am. How you doing? Very good.
It's not part time.
How are you today? Perfect. You want to see it?
Now, where's the lantern? What?
See yourself?
Yes.
That's you.
Yes, that's me. And I got a fish.
Very good.
Nick,
Oh,
you
there
are
you
not
go.
taking his bag.
Y'all have a good evening. See you later, man.
Yeah, did you ever start? Okay. What not? No. See, I just finished it. You can just submit it. Yeah, I know. I don't think I had to Okay, I'll forget. Never mind. Oh, she said she's extended. Hey, can you look up those? Go Shay and tell me whatever happened. No, I do remember. You are special. I know exactly who you are. I got you. She already
I got to travel and get the world too. All the celebrities need pay.
This morning, just KJ here.
Yep.
I don't think people here know that.
I don't know about that.
But yeah, they don't know that. I hope so.
I know you. For my opinion, and of course my opinion only, I do like the flash in certain situations. And in some situations, I do just like the natural light and the ambiance that it gives. They both have a individual look, and you know, everything works in different situations at different times.
I know we have to get off here.
So we got we can grow together.
Try not to pose, but like taking pictures and we're talking. We're talking about things right now, and I hope this is a good angle. Wait, then he got the stupid.
It's all your birthday posts.
Right.
All your posts for your birthday. Okay.
Really the biggest.
That's like 2 days from now. You're gonna leave tomorrow.
So we're shooting tonight.
Should I got your outfit?
This is. What'd you
Get a
say?
picture about it.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh,
I don't know what your good side or your bad side is.
Bruh.
Both sides.
You the
Both
mom.
sides.
Oh, are we on the side?
I don't take pictures like you.
Okay. You have to
What
laugh
you?
at the camera like
Quit, get that out your hand.
That's why I pay Braxton to tell me to do it.
I didn't put my name at the bottom.
I don't know what camera we're looking at.
Oh, sorry.
It's because we're so famous. I didn't stop saying he's so
Nick.
We the paparazzi.
That's on me.
All right, one more.
You must be just out of the way.
Hey, how you get back there?
You must be just out of the way.
Oh yeah, it's this time.
Okay.
Are we taking some more?
Yeah, one more. 1, 2. Good. Y'all got y'all?
Okay, hold on, one more.
That's saying it. You want to be on TV?
Y'all gotta get. Before we go, I did want to give a big shout out to Gberto, Herrera, and Michaela, the model maker. They are two very successful business individuals. If you have a chance, go down in the description and check out their contents and their pages because they could be very beneficial to you as well.
You know, the cable number's there. Anytime.
Oh, I forgot I let Bella pull up. Hold up, I gotta check
Pull
on
up
her.
right now.
Oh, she did a good job. I let her pull the car up. I know. I get scared. You want to sit? You should sit.
Come
Right in
on.
the middle.
I did legs today.
Okay, boo.
I did. Come on,
you're
girl.
good.
Come sit with us. You can sit with us. That was good. Wait.
I had to get you in there.
Yes, sir.
All right, 1, 2, good. Strike a pose. Pose for the frame.
All right, we gotta go. We gotta go.
Let's get out of here.
They got a process.
Here you go.
They do it all the time. Oh, we still rolling.
Man, we got all the content.
I just hope my car is still there. I was the last, obviously, to get here this morning. It's not my best. It's so tiny, so.
Originally, I turned the camera off, but it was such a beautiful sunset sky right now. In the evening, it was no need to turn the camera off. But meanwhile, that's flash. That's no flash, you know. Hop in at an event. I really think that I'm gonna start telling y'all how to go and network, you know. I don't know. We'll figure all that out.